In the present era, researchers, educators and teachers have been concerned about how to improve the quality of student learning and how to improve the effectiveness of teaching. Collaborative learning allows students to become an active participant in learning rather than being a passive recipient of knowledge from the teacher. Case teaching is one of the most commonly used pedagogical technique in collaborative learning. Successful case teaching involves patience, a willingness to encourage open student participation, and the ability to describe productive examples for a long period. Mind mapping has proven to be an effective tool that has revolutionized the teaching and learning process for laboratory courses in science and engineering disciplines, where students interpret, gather, and communicate large amounts of complex information. Mind map is a highly effective technique for sharpening one's thinking and learning ability. Mind map is a revolutionary system for horizontally capturing ideas and insights on paper, which allows the user to record a large amount of information on one page while also demonstrating relationships between various concepts and ideas. Visualizing ideas will enable you to think about a subject in a more global, holistic way, which in turn increases the thinking skills. Here, the main focus was on the technique of mind mapping and its specific applications and teaching and learning process for laboratory courses in science and engineering disciplines using Virtual Lab. Virtual Lab is a project which was initiated by Ministry of Education under the National Mission on Education through ICT. IIT Delhi, being the principal coordinator, and 11 other participating institutes are involved in the development of this project. Virtual Labs provides simulation-based online laboratory for science and engineering disciplines, where it helps in experiential learning by means of interactive web applications. Virtual Lab is a complete learning management system that includes web resources, video lectures, animated demonstrations, and self-evaluation. Depending on the learning characteristics as well as institutional priorities and contexts, educational practices has taken many forms. In recent decades, we have these powerful tools named as online learning platforms. Online learning platforms helps teachers and students to learn more effectively by delivering personalized learning aids. The lack of comprehensive learning management system is a major flaw in platforms like NPTEL and Swayam. Virtual Lab is one such platform that enables personalized learning with its focus on pedagogy and mind map, in addition to experiential learning through interactive web animations. In the development of Virtual Lab, the main concern is engaging the student throughout the process of completing the experiment. A well-defined methodology is being adopted. The development involves 6 rounds of reviews, being round 0 to round 5, before deploying to the community portal. The reviews would be done for each and every round by the Lab Development Committee panel. Here, we mainly concentrated on development of mind map for each and every experiment, which comes under the content development for the lab under round 2 process of the development. A mind map is a process of content development for each experiment. Separate mind maps were developed using a free and open source software named Freeplane. Freeplane enables users to add contents as quickly and naturally as they would do in a text editor. Contents added once can be manipulated further by simple editing tool. Mind map is a diagram that represents relationship between parts of a larger picture. It is frequently built around a single concept which is drawn as an image in the center and to which associated representations of concepts such as images, words, and sections of terms is been added. Basically, these mind maps are used in organizing and simplifying the ideas. Here is a typical example of slump test which comes under the Marine Structure Lab of Virtual Lab. Firstly, all the contents required to be included in the mind map was sorted. Then, the whole structure was formed and framed by collecting all the necessary data. The main challenge faced during the development was to involve the whole experiment in the process because the mind map had to be designed in such a way that it should achieve all the objectives, goals, and pathways set in the previous rounds. Feedback from the user is a source of improvement to the developers and it indicates the effectiveness of simulation developed. Here is the typical feedback of 385 users of Civil Labs, where 82% of the users expressed that the lab is realistic and gives the feel of conducting the actual experiment. And 65% of the users said that VLabs excellently simulated the conventional lab, where 92% of the users felt that the assessment and reading material was helpful. 57% of the users did not go through the concepts provided in the theory part of the simulation. This could be because of the curiosity about exploring the simulation probably prompted them to directly perform the experiment rather than going through the contents. Hence, the method of mind mapping using experiential learning has been well accepted by the student. Learning by experiencing differences arouses the curiosity in students and helps to get a clear knowledge about the concepts. To avoid this, we have come up with a new way of learning tool called Mind Map, which would help the students to go through all the concepts in an interactive way. So, as a part of future work, we intend to integrate Mind Map with VLab Central portal since until now it was a part of internal process of development.